The following method is the fastest way to calibrate the Nortec 600 for conductivity and coating inspections. Note that this test is best done with a probe that has been connected for at least 15 minutes to the instrument. This yields more accurate results. When you connect the probe to the Nortec 600, a menu appears which gives information about the probe. It is important to note that the probe mode is automatically set to conductivity. Press Continue. In this example, we are using IACS and mils units because of our calibration standard. To change the units, press the Advanced Setup and the All Settings key. Use the full Next key to navigate the rows, the knob to change the values, and the ABC keys to change columns. Enter the IACS value for the left-hand side standard. By default, the knob is set to fine-tune the value. Pressing the check mark will set the knob to coarse tuning. This can greatly speed up the value selection. Place the probe on the standard and press E to store the reading. Next, enter the value for the right-hand side standard. Place the probe on the standard and press E to store the reading. Place a 4 mils shim on the standard. We are using a 4 mil shim to simulate a coating. Place the probe on the standard, starting with the left-hand side. Press E to store the reading. Repeat the same process for the right-hand side. If done properly, the Nortec 600 should show success. In the case that the Nortec shows fail, double-check your steps and redo the procedure. The instrument should now show a conductivity and coating thickness scale. It is possible to add alarms to both scales. To do so, press the alarm key. The first alarm is meant for the conductivity scale. You can set the lower limit using A and the upper limit using B. You can adjust the status if you want the alarm to be positive or negative. A positive status means that the value is between the low and high limits. A negative status means the value is outside the low and high limits. Pressing alarm again brings up the coating thickness alarm. You can select the lower limit shim thickness using A and the upper limit using B. Set the status to positive or negative. We hope you enjoyed this instructional video on how to configure the Nortec 600 to determine conductivity and coating thickness. For more information on Olympus eddy current solutions, contact your local representative or visit us online at www.olympus-ims.com.